Let's start the match in 3, 2, 1, go!
Welcome back to the final stretch through the lower bracket. 2 more matches until finals to figure out who will be that second finalist. All these teams wanted. Only 1 more ticket remains, though. Blue Alliance churning through artifacts. GP Robotics Unity loading up at the gate. They're waiting for their third to come aboard, and now they scoot right on down to fire. Their alliance partners, FE203, 1, 2, 3 from deep, all rolling right on through for some scoring. Red Alliance Techineers firing from close as Leviathan stays afar and Autonomous ends.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. Three, 2, 1.
Blue Alliance 4 taking an 8-point lead out the gate here on the Croft division. First launch is going up from Leviathan. Is now Techineers for the Red Alliance, looking to close in and take a lead. But Blue comes back trying to seal it back up. GP Robotics Unity with 3 from close, going 2 for 3 on the shot. FE203 staying in deep, launching artifacts right up and into the goal. FE203 trying to use that secret tunnel to steal artifacts away from the gate as Techineers opens it. Those artifacts able to fuel up Techineers, but also Techineers can only take 3 of them, leaving more to roll out on the field and spill out right into a loading zone for 21-865 FE203. The artifacts keep flying in for both alliances, neck and neck. Less than a 10-point margin between these alliances. Now 5 points here with a minute 12 left to go on match 12 of the Michiana playoffs. A barrage from Blue brings Blue up into a strong lead. But here comes Techineers on red. 2 going up to try and close it out. Leviathan Robotics trying to get around GP Robotics Unity, firing across each other's paths, working there to try and deflect each other's shots out. Alliance 5 back in the lead by about 8 points, but Blue trying to close it back up. 45 seconds left to go. Blue brings it back on in. FE203 staying in that far field. No one else playing out there, so they're able to have a nice and clear zone to go back and forth. That Blue Alliance loading zone, though, Red Alliance loading zone, stuffed with artifacts coming off the Blue Alliance ramp. Able to field robots if they so choose. In comes Leviathan Robotics, picking off 3. They come back. That nice big bank. At 20 seconds left to go, helps Red grow a 20-point lead. 15 seconds left to go. Red Alliance 5 in the lead, but Blue is close. It could come down to endgame. Final shots off GP Robotics Unity and FE203. Coming in from the far launch zone. Techineers trying to slow down GP. A double park for Red comes in, maybe for Blue.
Got the winner, and it is the Red Alliance! With a score of 390 points to 385! Wow! Only 5 points difference between the scores, unfortunately.